Good morning, children. This is the English session today. For today, we're going to do some crafts. We're going to prepare drums. Are you ready for drums? Yeah? Do you like music? Great. So let's make drums. Sonia's got three pots. One pot. This is cocoa. Another pot. And this flower pot. 3 pots. Let me see. Let's put them in order, shall we? This pot is big, so we'll put it here. This pot is medium size, so we'll put it here. And this pot is small. Small or little? Okay, we'll put it here. Look, this is like Goldilocks. Do you remember Goldilocks? Goldilocks, in the story of Goldilocks, there are 3 bowls. There is Daddy's bowl, Mommy's bowl, and Baby's bowl. Daddy's bowl is big. Mommy's bowl is medium size. And Baby's bowl is small or little. That's right, it's exactly the same. But these ones are made of different materials. They are different materials. Look. For instance, the big pot is glass. It's made of glass. The pot is made of glass. Right. So we can break. Let me see this one. The flower pot is made of plastic. Look. It's made of plastic. And the small pot is made of tin. This is tin, it's metal, like a metal. It's metal. Right. For our drum, I cannot use glass. I cannot use glass because glass breaks into little pieces. So, bye-bye pot. I can't use you. Put it away. Right. Now I have to choose between the flower pot and the cocoa powder pot. Alright, so let me think. What's going to make a big drum, a lovely drum? This one is okay. But I think I prefer this one. But this one is okay, yeah? This one would be alright if you want to prepare the drum here. If you want to do the drum here, that would be okay. But I'm going to choose this one. Why? Because it's a bit bigger. See? The diameter is bigger. This one is big and this one is a bit small. Alright? So, for my drum, I need a pot made of plastic or tin or metal, scissors, pair of scissors, and tape. Look, packing tape. This is called packing tape, right? Okay, so let's get ready. Right. Let's see. First of all, we put one piece of packing tape across the pot. Okay, we leave it like 5 centimeters or so. 5 fingers, 4 or 5 fingers. Paste it down. And then I cut here, also counting around 4 or 5 fingers. Yeah? Well done. Okay, like this, lovely. Then I'm going to need another piece. I lost the trail now. Here. Okay, now another one, making a cross. Yeah, ready? I'm gonna cut this. And also 5 centimeters on the side. 5 centimeters on the side. We press a little, yeah? There. And we cut again. Hold it. You'll have the same problem as me. Now we have a cross. See? A cross? Yeah. Now another, we're going to make a star. Do you remember the song? Twinkle, twinkle, little star? Well, we're going to make a star now. Like this. Yeah, okay. Let's sing the song, shall we, while we make it? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Right, let's see. Now, this is a perfect star, but we got a problem. It's got holes. Can you see? Oh, I put my finger in. Oh no, look, a hole, another hole, another hole. We have to cover these holes, all right? Get ready? Come on then. Always, every time you put a piece of packing tape, across the middle, yeah? So now we're going to put them across like this, and we're going to cover the holes. Ready? Let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. One hole done. Another hole done. Another hole covered. Super. I still have 2 holes, see? 1, 2, and 1, 2 here. I have to cover them. Right. Two less holes. And the last 2. There we go. Super. Right. Yay! No holes now, look. No holes. Now we have 1 layer. This is 1 layer. But we have to do another layer. Yeah, we have to have 2 layers. So it's nice and strong. Ready? So let's do another one. First, remember, across, you have to remember, across. What is a cross? This is a cross, look. Across, yeah, across. There. Now a star. Now we do a star. That's it, 1. And 2. Lovely. Now we've got the star now. And now we cover the holes, remember? 1 hole is here. Another hole would be, that's a bit tricky now, eh? Another hole will be here. Alright. Another hole here. Yeah. Oops, my nail. And another hole would go here. Lovely. 2 layers now done. 2 layers. Let's put the packing tape away, scissors away, and this is the drum. Oops. But we need sticks. We need drumsticks. Let's get something to use as drumsticks, shall we? Just a minute. Right, I'm back. I found 2 coloured pencils, which I think are going to do quite well, and also 2 plastic spatulas that we're going to try. Shall we try? Come on then. That's not bad. Let's try with the pencils. Ready? Yeah, I like it better. I'm not quite good at this, so I have to practice a lot. Are you going to help me practice? Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Mwah. A big, big kiss for all of you. Bye-bye.